Hey friends, it's Yasmin, your trusted mortgage broker, and I've got your weekly update on what's happening with interest rates, the job market, and what that means whether you're buying your first home, upgrading, or building wealth through real estate. Let's dive into 3 quick takeaways. First, the Fed held interest rates steady. The Fed had their meeting this week and they decided not to make any changes. They're keeping rates right where they are for now. They're holding off because inflation is still on their radar, and global trade uncertainty is adding a layer of caution. Now, for first-time homebuyers, that kind of stability can be helpful. It keeps rates from jumping suddenly when you're shopping or getting pre-approved. But for investors or higher income buyers, steady rates also give you space to think long-term. This kind of environment where refinancing portfolio expansion or tapping into equity can be done with more control. Second, the job market is still strong. Unemployment claims dropped again last week, which tells us that people are staying employed and that income streams are holding steady across the board. That's good news for everyone, whether you're trying to qualify for your first loan or you're working on your next property purchase. And even with manufacturing cooling off, the services sector, where housing lives, is still growing. That helps support market stability overall. Third, buyers are showing up this spring. Here's where things get really interesting. More people are applying for mortgages to buy homes right now than we saw this time last year. First-time homebuyers are leading the way, making up the majority of recent agency-backed loans. So if you're new to the market, you're not alone, and there are still great tools out there, including down payment programs and fast close options. But there's also opportunity at the higher end of the market. More listings are popping up, and some sellers are growing cautious. That can open the door for well-qualified buyers to negotiate stronger terms or pick up premium properties with less competition. So to wrap it up, we've got a stable rate environment with a healthy job market and buyers at every level re-engaging. Whether you're buying your first place, upgrading your lifestyle, or planning your next investment, the market is active and strategy matters. If you want help mapping your next steps, I've got your back. Our team closes loans nationwide in as little as 10 days. DM me anytime for a personal consult, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you're always in the loop. See you next week. Bye.